Question 3, part B, asked to find the coordinates of M. And we are told that M is the midpoint between point A, which is down here, you can see, and also this new point C, which has the coordinates 5 and 12. So let's just plot where 5 and 12 would be on our XY axis here. 5 is here, 12 is up here, so this point lives here. And if you just give me a second, I'll plot a line between these 2 points. Okay, so I have my second line here that is between, or it's just a line that connects points A and C so far. We need to find the midpoint. So we have 2 coordinates here. We have coordinate A, which is 1 and 4, and I'm going to call this x1, y1. And we also have this coordinate C, which is 5 and 12, and I'm going to call it x2, y2. We're asked to find the midpoint. Now, we're going to use the midpoint formula. So midpoint formula equals, so we're going to call it M. Now, this formula is we add the 2 x coordinates, x1 plus x2, on 2. And because it's on 2, we're essentially averaging them. So that'll be the x value, and the same for the y value, y1 plus y2 on 2. And it kind of makes sense once you do it a few times. We're averaging the 2 coordinates. So for example, on the x-axis we have 1 and 5. We add those up. 1 plus 5 over 2 equals 6 over 2, which is equal to 3. 3 is right in the middle of 1 and 5. So it's essentially finding the middle point of both on the x-axis and the y-axis, which gets us the midpoint, like literally both in the x and in the y. So that's what it means. We're just now using the formula. So this will be x1 is 1, x2 is 5, y1 is 4, plus y2 is 12 over 2, and that is equal to 6 on 2 and 16 on 2. So our coordinates are 3, 8. So if I was to now go and plot that, 3 and 8 is right there, and this is our midpoint M. Actually, I'll just write that on this side. Okay, that is the answer to part B, question 3.